How to create account on Paycom. To create a Paycom account, simply follow these steps. First of all, open your web browser and in the search address bar type down Paycom. Once you do so, simply tap on the paycom.com official website at the top and navigate to its official website. Now once inside the official website, you can only see login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Now all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom until you find the create an account or sign up option available there. Now simply scroll down. You will more probably find the create an account or sign up option available at the bottom of the website, and here tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to the section where you can create a Paycom account. Now you'll have to enter your work email. After that, tap on the first time user option available there. Once you enter your email, tap on the next option available. Here you'll have to enter your first name, last name and your phone number. Then also you'll have to enter the position you hold in your company and tap on the next option available after you confirm it. After that, you'll have to enter your company name, company email and company details here and tap on the next option. Then Paycom will review it and it will create an account for you. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.